Hey, what is going on, guys? Today's video we're gonna be changing the sun visors. Actually, I already did this one yesterday. I just gotta re-tighten this right here, get a little bit of glue, but I already did it yesterday. Now I gotta repaint that. But look at that. I mean, I still gotta fix some little edges, but it's not as bad as this was, as you can see right here. Just look at that discoloration right there. And then most of the time this will be up. I need to reattach that right there, but look at that. Obviously when I close it more, it's gonna be looking like that, but look at the difference. Just, I had some leftover headliner, so I decided to redo that. So pretty much what we're gonna do is take these screws off right here, and that's pretty much it. And open this up from right here, and this fabric is a little bit thicker, as you can see, but hey, it looks way better than the old one that it used to be. So let's continue straight to the process. So I covered that with just a bag, just to cover the actual mirror. So what we're gonna pretty much do is just spray the fabric here, the adhesive here, and there. So you'll see it as I do the time lapse now. Wait like a couple seconds, take it down. Guys, so it ended up raining on me, and this is the one I did first. As you can see, I didn't glue it all the way, so yeah. And then this one I did glue all the way. As you can see, it's perfectly seamless. It does have the glue residue right there, but pretty much I just folded it in like this one. As you can see right there, I folded all the extras in. I was able to record it because my grandma didn't want to get recorded, so you know, I had to respect her thing, her stuff. But there it is. Looks perfect. It is raining here in Florida right now, but as you can see, it is perfect. Like I said, I'm probably gonna have to re-glue this, but as you can see right there, I just fold the pieces inwards and just cut and do some cutting to make it sure that it's seamless, just like this, all around. There you go. But yeah, like I said, thanks for watching, guys, and I'm sorry I couldn't record the whole process. It was mainly because, well, for one, she didn't feel comfortable recording, so yeah. Hey, so I gotta respect her decisions, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in next week's video, or whenever I upload.